So what's going on, traders? I'm back here. My unmatched perspicacity coupled with my sheer indefatigability makes me a feared opponent across all human endeavors. So I have nothing to sell you. I make this video so that you can learn, so that you can make sure that you make a lot of money, so that you can use this and so that you can join the 1%. So let's start with the old USD. The purpose of this video today, listen closely. The purpose of this video today is to show you what works in retail trading and show you what works in ICT concepts, make comparisons so that you traders out there can see what really goes on from the perspective of ICT and also see what goes on from the perspective of retail traders. So basically it's a comparison so that you guys can get the best, use the best content, make money, know what works and what doesn't. That's my promise to you guys. So by the end of the day, you should be able to pick something, be profitable, and make money for the next year of 2023. 2023, no brokies. You're going to make a lot of money. So let's go. So I'm going to start with ICT today. I'm going to start with ICT. So price was previously in a downtrend. This is the odd USD, and I'm going to enter the trade live as you guys are seeing. Price was in a downtrend. Price is making lower lows and lower highs. Lower low equal high. Yeah. Orders taken out. Then a reversal. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is the first time that price broke this trend line here. I call it a brick wall. Yeah. If anything else below this trend line is a sell zone, then anything else above it is a buy zone. So we broke, we consolidated for a long time, then we retested it. So let me now zoom in so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. We retested it the first time, second time, third time. So you have an expansion, retracement, consolidation. After consolidation, you always have an expansion. And this consolidation here that took about 3 to 4 weeks happened because of the Christmas holidays. And if you're trading during the Christmas holidays, that was a bad idea. So what was happening here is, after price has been retesting this level for a long time, price started to take, okay, here price was collecting orders. Price was collecting enough money to make the next move, right? This is the second week of January and price has collected enough money. Investors are back into trading. Investors are back into putting their money in the market. Market makers are there. The AI has generated enough money so that we can take these trades. So we have this low here which was taken out, that was soup taken out. Then so we have this consolidation here. If you put your Fibonacci here, 50 level, you see that breakout, the retest or the retracement. You could have taken these trades from around here, but we didn't cash them from there, so we are going to now take the trades right now. But mind you, we're still in the daily time frame. So if I isolate this, this is the high of the consolidation. So the orders above here, which have now officially been taken out by those buy orders. Taken out the liquidity pool which was here. The market house now has enough power to move. But now let's go to our 4-hour time frame and see if we have any valid trades that we can take today. So that's it. We had equal highs here. Equal highs here, the double top. Equal highs. There's a lot of liquidity up there which had to be handled. And price is making a series of higher low, which had to be taken out. Liquidity down here, taken out. This order block here, look at what happened. Price came back, filling the order block, and also mitigated or took out the liquidity pool which was right down below there. Hence this move here. Price, so this was a consolidation, expansion, retracement, consolidation, expansion. That is what's happening here. And look at this. So the 1 hour time frame. So each time frame has its own use. The 1 hour time frame, we have that change in behavior. So you have the retracement, consolidation. Price has broken out of the consolidation. So it has momentum, and it only makes sense that price continues running the upside. So that's ICT. Let's now use retail trading. Retail trading. So price was definitely a downtrend. So right now, I wouldn't say we have a reversal, because this is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And for price to totally reverse, we need to have broken the last lower high so that we take those buys to the uptrend. But since price hasn't broken the last lower high, when it comes back there, we expect confirmations around here so that this can rally to the downside. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let's go back down into the video. Make sure you're liking the video. Get me to 50 likes of this video. Subscribe. Get me to 300 subscribers this very month of January. Let's go. Now, since we broke the trend line for the first time in a long time, we expect that price has reversed as per now till this key level here, but we still have enough space from here to take trades. So price broke out. Here the first retest, second retest. So this confirms that this is a nice strong key level in the market. You understand? This is a nice strong key level in the market. First one, second one, third one. Most traders will call this an inverted heads and shoulders pattern, but it is what it is. Yeah. We shall not get into that. It is what it is. Let me get my explanation. That's a daily time frame. I've already confirmed our bias, which is to the upside, because price is making high highs and higher lows, high high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and you're going for that higher high. So the 4 hour time frame, the same thing. Price is making a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We have this range here that had to be broken, and we broke the range. So in retail trading, this is what happens. When you have a range, you wait for price to break out to either side. If price breaks out to the downside and give us a nice good retest, then we expect to sell from that key level. If price breaks to the upside, gives us a nice good retest, then we expect to buy, but with good entry signals. So this is what happens. Have this consolidation. Price has been consolidating for a long time. This is the consolidation high. You see? So price breaks out, right? Price breaks out. When it breaks out to momentum, this is what we want to see. We want price to break out to momentum to really go, then come back and retest. When the retest happens, this is what we're looking for in the retest. When price comes back, we need to look for that momentum into structure. Want an indecision candle and a weak rejection. Then we want a momentum candle to the upside, because we are taking buy trades here. So you get this weak rejection here. You have indecision candles here. We have a momentum candle. You have momentum candle into structure. Indecision is here. Weak rejection. This is also indecision here. And then we have this momentum candle to the upside. So we have all that criteria met. So we go to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we also want to look for a change in behavior. Change in behavior. So previously, we have this channel to the downside, which was broken. We have the retest and we have the close of that candle. So we have a change in behavior here. Yeah, the behavior here was a downtrend, and look at what happened. Behavior here is an uptrend, because we're making higher highs and higher low. That's a higher high right there, because we took out this, then this is a higher low, and we have momentum closing to the upside. We also have a momentum candle which had close to the upside. So our trades basically were supposed to be entered right here. Yeah, so you're getting the point. Hope you're following. Our trades are supposed to be entered right there. So now you go to the 30 minutes time frame or the 15 minutes time frame. This is the entry time frame. This is the entry time frame. So entry time frame, we look for a pattern. So we look for a pattern on the entry time frame. So after the break of this trend line here, we look for a retest, and the retest happens. That's the first. That is the first entry criteria we have. Second one, you can choose any, but you need only one. Second one, we need double tops and double bottoms. So for this the case, a double bottom makes sense because we're in an uptrend. Double bottom, the first bottom, second bottom, and even the third bottom here. Yeah, so that's a really good one. Or if you're not satisfied with that, we can still go down to the 15 minutes time frame and check that we have a double bottom. Yeah, we have a double bottom, and we have also the break of that previous high structure. So right now we are confirmed to enter these trades here. So I would basically put my buy limits here, but this price is likely to continue the upside. So I'm going to enter here, put my stop loss here, right down here, and right to my take profits. So y'all have seen that we are going to take these trades today. So now I've already entered my positions. I'll put my stop losses, enter the old USD positions. I have put my stop losses below structure, and I'll put my take profits above structure. So I'll be monitoring it, and I'll come back with an update on the trade. So make sure you're tuned in, make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss this big update. See the results of what happened in this trade. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in a moment.